all of humanity will give you dominion on this rock they call Earth. Don't you want to rid yourself of this water prison?
The water is where we belong. This is our home, Condoleezza. Our home planet had similar covering of liquid that protected us from the rays of our sun as it poured pollution into the atmosphere. Yes, our Teddy is more advanced than those of the humans, but our aim is not to seek war, but to have unity across all species.
So I noticed. Don't you get it? They don't see it that way. Humanity destroys what they don't understand, and they surely don't understand you, the ceiling.